Welcome back, guys. Mike Mo here, lettering artist and logo designer. Today I'm starting a new series called 9 Ways to Letter, and to start off things, the letter A. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so today we're doing 9 ways to letter the letter A. So this is a new series that I'm starting, and I'm going to be doing this throughout the whole entire alphabet. You can probably expect one of these videos once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. I haven't quite figured out what I want to do or how often. But anyways, I'm going to set up a time lapse now so that you guys don't have to bore yourselves to watch my creative process take place. And hopefully this video gives you guys some inspiration. And if you guys like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and yeah. Enjoy. Alright guys, so that concludes this video for the 9 ways to draw the letter A. You could go even further with this, but this is a good exercise just to kind of dabble with a few different styles. Most of them are pretty simple scripts and such, but it's a good way to just kind of get started and get some ideas down on the page, and then once you find something, then you can run with it and just push it further and further. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it. And hope it gives you guys some inspiration to go create something. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. If you hated it, hit the dislike button 4 times. And don't forget to subscribe. And while you're down there, you might as well hit the bell. That's what all the cool people are doing nowadays. At least that's what I hear. And if you want to get some more daily inspiration, follow me over on Instagram at Mike Mo Designs for your daily inspiration. And until next time, it's been another episode of the Mike Mo Designs. I'll catch you later.